Welcome to our channel. If you want to disable incognito mode features on Netflix, follow this simple guide to ensure your viewing activity is tracked and reflected in your watch history and recommendations. Step 1. Open the Netflix app on your device or access Netflix through your web browser at netflix.com. Step 2. Log into your Netflix account using your email and password. Step 3. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 4. On the Account page, scroll down to the Profile and Parental Controls section. Step 5. Select the profile you want to manage by clicking on the downward arrow next to the profile name. Step 6. Look for Viewing Activity or Profile Settings options within the Expanded Profile section. Step 7. Ensure that Viewing Activity Tracking is enabled. This is the default setting, but verify it hasn't been disabled. Step 8. If you've been using a private or incognito browser window, close it and use Netflix in a regular browser window instead to ensure viewing history is saved. Step 9. To verify that viewing activity is being tracked, return to Viewing Activity in Account Settings and check that recent titles you've watched are appearing in the list. Step 10. Your Netflix viewing activity is now being properly tracked and will influence your recommendations and continue watching sections. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.